What is vectorization in GIS? In this tutorial, I'm going to give you the definition of vectorization and also the practical demonstration of vectorization. Vectorization is the process of converting raster into vector. This process is useful for a variety of GIS applications, such as land use mapping, hydrological analysis, and terrain modeling. Now, I want to take you to GIS environments and demonstrate vectorization. So let's go to GIS environment. In ArcGIS, I have this raster, which is a land use land cover map. If I right click this layer and come to the properties, come under source, you can see the cell size, which is 10 meter, showing us that it is raster. So if I want to convert this raster data or raster layer to vector, how do I do that? Which we term vectorization. To do that, come to Arc Toolbox, come to Conversion Tools, then come to From Raster, which means we are converting from raster. In vectorization, you can convert from raster to points, raster to polygon, raster to polyline. You can convert to all these. So in this demonstration, let's convert from raster to polygon. To do that, double click on raster to polygon to convert this raster layer to polygon. Then here, input raster, it will be this raster. Then the field we want to use is the value. Then output polygon, we are going to name it as polygon. Click on save, then click on OK. So the process of vectorizing is ongoing. Converting it from raster to vector is vectorization. So the process is done. Now if you see here is polygon. If you right click and open the properties, you can see that the geometry type is polygon. It has been converted from raster to polygon. And if you open the attribute table, right click and open the attribute table, you can see the attributes of this polygon. However, take note of this Greek code. This Greek code, if you come back to the raster and open the attribute table, it is this value that was converted to Greek code. So the process of vectorization takes raster value and convert it to vector. Now, if we come to this polygon we just created and right click and come to properties, then let's come under symbology. Instead of single symbol, let's put it in categories. Then we are going to use the Greek code to categorize and click on add all. Then let's uncheck this and click on OK. So now this is our vector. Now if we zoom in, let's zoom in to an area here. We can see the nature of vector. If I uncheck the vector, this is how the raster looks like. This is the raster represented by grids of cell. But the vector, which is represented by polygon in this case, you can see the difference between vector and raster. Now, what is the importance of vectorization? The importance of vectorization is that vectorization is an important process in GIS that allows us to convert raster data into vector data. It makes it easier to analyze and visualize geographic information. So I hope by now you have an understanding of what vectorization is all about in GIS. Thank you for watching.